Right, we've got an East Midlands Railway Class 158 unit, now arriving from Liverpool Lime Street. This unit is 158714. Right, on 755403, just accelerating away en route to Stansted Airport. (74510) is departing out of platform 2, working the 14:30 service to London Liverpool Street. Here comes 755329, which is pulling into platform 5. Right, here we got two of Network Rail's Class 153 units stabled together. It's 153376 and 153311. Nice to see Class 153s reappearing at Norwich again. They're former East Midlands Railway units, judging by their stagecoach livery. Right, we've got another Class 755 Flirt unit approaching the station. This unit is 755327. Right, 755329 is now departing on its way to Great Yarmouth via April. Off it goes. Right, here comes the Class 745 Flirt unit, arriving into platform 2 from London Liverpool Street. This service is being worked by 745003. At the same time, we've got a Class 755 flirt unit following in as well. This is unexpected. Right, this unit is 755418. Right, 755327 has just rapidly departed on its way to Sheringham. Right, I've got 755338 is now pulling into the station. Seven 55401 has just departed out of platform 6 en route to Lowestoft. Right, 158774 is now heading back to Liverpool Lime Street. Right, the 1500 service to London Liverpool Street, word by 745004, is now departing from platform 1. Off it goes. Right, we've also got some classic locomotives stabled. On the left is a Colas Rail Class 37 attached to a Network Rail test train, and on the right is Direct Rail Services Loco 57003. A couple of awesome bonuses.